Come on. What we got?
This.
What is it?
Mine.
Huh?
Mine.
What is it? Barbecue weenies? Hey, can you help Daddy stir it up?
Yep.
Help me. Yeah, good job, dude. Is it hot? Whoa, you're making a mess. Stir it up. Stir it up. Are they cooking?
Done.
I don't think they're done yet. I don't think it's warm enough yet. Stick your finger in there.
No.
Why not?
This.
Huh?
This.
Why don't you use your finger?
No.
There you will. Try it. Wow.
Let me try it.
Do it.
Yeah.
Is it good? We gotta do our dishes from breakfast, Bob.
Yep.
You gonna help me with dishes?
Yep.
You are?
Yep.
Okay.